How to fix MSVCP140.dll missing or not found in Windows. For this first step, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++. Open up settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you having the older version means you need to update the latest version. If you already having the latest version means click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. Click the three dot icon, click modify and click repair. If this option is not having means you need to go to browser, go to the official website of Microsoft Visual C++, download and install the latest version. This is the official website of Microsoft. Download and install the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++, both 64 and 86 bit. Once complete after you can do the process. After come to next step, run system file checker. For this search for cmd, click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space / scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it, and also once complete 100% after it will shows which location and which file have corrupted. It's 100% completed. There is no corrupted file. After exit it and come to next step, check Windows Update, click settings, click Windows Update and check your Windows. Click check for update and make your Windows up to date. And come to next step, repair Windows image using DISM. Search for cmd, click run as administrative and type the following text. Type the text DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / scan health. Wait for some times. Be patient, this will take some times. Once complete after, it will throw up the message successfully completed. After go with next step. Type DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health. Click enter and wait for some times till it become 100%. After come to next step. Once completing after 100%, restart your device. Thank you.